Oh, what is up, everybody? Dude. Oh, oh my god, that felt so good. Oh. Oh. So today we made $336 or $338. You can see it under my webcam. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna say 338 in the title because it's more money. Today I was bearish. Okay, so I was bearish. And I don't care that we're flipping bullish right now. I still think we're going to be bearish. I don't care. I do not care. Because we still have so much to fill below us. I hope we don't. I hope we don't. Right? I like how we're so bullish and my portfolio is just so bullish and green and lush. Like that one? Alright. Let's get into the trade recap, bro. What do we have on the 1 hour? Nothing. What do we have on the 4 hour? Nothing, except that we were in this daily gap. But that's not the 4 hour. So on the daily, we were in this daily gap, which I did not care about, bro. I don't care about daily gaps unless we're not tapped into it yet, okay? Kind of. Unless my bias is bullish and we're in a bullish gap, then I'm like, okay, that adds to my confidence. So, but what do we have? Okay, since we didn't have any of that, what do we have? Right? So let's turn this on. Here we have London highs, we have Asia highs. So I was like, okay, that's okay. We already swept the London lows, and I was still bearish. Well, we have previous day lows, previous day AM low, right there, and on a 15-minute we had what? We had two gaps here. So the first gap, the one I took my trade off of, actually was right here, spoiler, and there was another one right here, which that one would have been a better draw, but it tapped at market open. Mine did, and we reversed off of it. So we had 0.618 inside that gap, and we also had 0.5 in the middle of both of them. So you could have had price push into that 0.5 and go and reverse, which still would have been respecting that 15-minute gap. But what happened was we come up and we push into this 15-minute gap. We take out some of this low resistance. That really doesn't matter. But we come into this 15-minute gap. That was the biggest thing. And on the 1 minute right here, yeah, sorry, we get a change in state on the 1 minute. Sorry, no, I didn't take this on the 1 minute. What am I talking about? Here, on the 30-second, we get a change in state right here. Okay, so I short at this candle closure, and wait? No. I had a good fill. I got in like right here. I don't ever remember this candle pushing this high. I mean, I guess it did, but I entered like right here, and I shorted it down to here. This was where so this trade was supposed to be hold on, so maybe I might have moved this by accident. Hold on. Here, I think I moved it by accident. No, I didn't. I didn't move this. It must have been like right here. So, yeah, there we go. That looks right. So, it was a 1-to-1. I took a 1-to-1. Yeah. I took a 1-to-1. This is what it was. Just because we didn't have any lows to target, and I don't like targeting external lows. So what I did was I just took a 1-to-1 and I banked off of that, and that was the trade. So now let's go to Asia, which I did not get a win on, but I want to go over something on Asia. So let's go there, shall we? And I always put in replay mode for Asia. So what did we have in Asia that I liked? Well, I'll tell you. On right here we had, I believe it was this. Yes. Yeah. Oh shit. Hopefully you're on. So okay, why didn't I take it if I'm going over it? Well, the move was just so powerful I couldn't get in with it. It just kind of moved without me. So I'm thinking about on Asia, I might use the 15-second just because um the when market wants to move, let's say market wants to be bearish for the day, the bearish moves in market are very, very strong, as you can see. So price wanted to be bearish. Price was bearish on Asia, well until what, 9:30. Then we kind of ripped back up to the opening highs, past it really. So what do we do? We came down right here. So we came down, and then we finally. Also, sorry guys, I'm missing something here. This is why I hate being on a laptop. It really just messes everything up. It makes everything go so much slower. We were also in a 15-minute. Yeah, 15-minute gap. Where did my range go? Oh, am I looking? Oh, shit. Sorry. I'm an idiot. Alright. Also, we're in a 15-minute gap. So, OTE 15-minute gap. OTE is inside this 15-minute gap. Well, what do? Market opens, we dump. Okay, that's pretty good. We get a very nice dump candle, but then we start pushing back up. Okay, we push up very slowly, which is good for shorts. Okay, because you don't want to see a bunch of bullish momentum, right? So you get this very slow move back up right into 0.5 inside this 15-minute gap. We dump. And this, I mean, we dump, bro. Like, I did not have a chance to catch the short. I wanted the short. I was looking at the short. I was like, okay, the short looks very, very good. But I wanted a 1-minute displacement. And if you guys did not just see what happened on the 1 minute, I'll show you. I hate this laptop, man. So we come in, and then we're already halfway to my. I don't target the bottom of these wicks. I target the body. Okay, so on the 1 minute, I'll target the body of the last candle. Just because, first of all, we seem to make a bunch of equal lows, equal highs, and also we seem to kind of just tap into things instead of fully sweep them on Asia session. Just something I've noticed, something I've picked up. You don't necessarily have to do that, but it just works better for me because I've missed out on profits and it's not good. I don't like losing money. So tap into 0.5 and we dump. This is a great trade if price just didn't move without me. I just wanted to go over it because realistically, this was a beautiful short, and if you took this, awesome, congratulations to you. But I did not end up getting in on this trade. What I could have done, maybe, like I guess I could have, was enter down here, put my stop right here, and target down to that 1 minute. I'm sorry guys, this is so annoying. And target down to here, which would have been a 1.4. So this still would have been a good trade, and it would have played out. But I just personally didn't take this. But right, if you took it, good job. Okay. Another good trade is this. It didn't quite tap into 0.618, but we dump. I personally, I was looking at this. I did not take it because we didn't tap into 0.618. I believe if you took it down to this range, probably, I guess you'll, but I don't do that, so I didn't take that. And so what happened was let's just put this back. We come down, get this beautiful displacement, come down, and then we push back into it. At the same time, sorry, let's see where we're at. There we go. Tap into none other than, I don't know if we tapped into 0.618. We'll see. Probably not. You might. Okay, there we go. Okay, we tapped into 0.618, as you can see. Because I kind of just tell there. So we tap into 0.618, and then we just start dumping. This is where I would have shorted on this. I was not on market. After I missed out on 2 moves, I was just kind of done. Because after that, I was kind of getting frustrated. And when you're frustrated, you're emotional. And when you're emotional, you should not be trading. Well, right here, short entry, I would have taken this 100%. Well, I would have put it up here. There we go. And I would have targeted. Man, I'm so sorry. Half this video is just me going back to the other thing. Alright. And I would have targeted right here for a 1.09. This would have been my trade personally. And as you can see, like I said, we did not take out this low instantly. We had to come up first and then push back down, and then come up first and then push down, and then we took out this low and this low. Look, it's whatever. Do what you guys feel like when you're trading Asia, if you even trade Asia. But yeah, that's what it's my 2 cents. And that is it for me. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you guys like this video, subscribe. If you didn't like this video, dislike it. That's literally it. I don't have anything else. The new account's going great. Very happy with it. And I should be passing it. I'm on pace to pass this account probably, I'd say mid next week. So I'm only trading 1 account right now, so that is just what I'm doing, and it is a lot better. I have been a lot more calmer and everything, doing all this with just 1 account and kind of just taking my time with these trades. So yeah, guys, I will see you in one day from now. Goodbye.